Hello again, Year 1. This is going to be another subtraction lesson today. See if you can remember the STEM sentence from yesterday. Did you remember it? It is, when you subtract, the total gets smaller. So the first thing we're going to do is count how many flowers are all together. Fantastic, there are 16 flowers all together. I wonder if you can think of another word that means all together. Fantastic, we can say in total. There are 16 flowers in total, but 4 flowers wither and die. So how many flowers are left now? So to solve this subtraction problem, we need to do 16 subtract 4, because 16 is how many flowers we have all together, and 4 is how many flowers have died. Now we need to cross out 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count how many flowers are left. If you said there were 12 flowers left, you are amazing, you got it right, and give yourselves a big marshmallow clap. Now let's help Rainbow Fish. So Rainbow Fish has 15 scales altogether. But Rainbow Fish is so kind, he gives 2 of his scales away to his friends. Now, do you know what the subtraction sentence would look like? Have a think. Amazing, it's going to be 15 subtract 2 equals, and now we need to do some crossing out to find the total. We're going to cross out 2 of Rainbow Fish's scales because he's giving 2 away to his friend. And we know that when we subtract, the total has to get smaller. Now it's your turn to do some counting. Count how many scales Rainbow Fish has left now. Super! Rainbow Fish has 13 scales left. Now let's have a go at solving these ones together. 15 subtract 3. And we already have our pictorial representation ready for us. We're going to start with 15 because this is our whole. This is how many lines we have all together. And remember, when we subtract, we always start with the biggest number. Then we're going to subtract 3 lions and we're going to cross these 3 lions out. 1, 2, 3. And now we need to find out how many are left. So we know that 15 subtract 3 equals 12. Let's try 17 subtract 4. But this time we don't have the pictures to help us, so we're going to have to draw them ourselves. First, I need to draw 17 circles. This is because 17 is our whole. It's the greatest number. Now we need to cross out 4 circles because we're subtracting 4 from 17. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now it's your turn to count how many are left. Fantastic, there are 13 circles remaining, which means 17 subtract 4 equals 13. Now it's your turn to do 12 subtract 1. Pause the video so you can work it out, then press play so you can check yours is the same as mine. So first I'm going to draw 12 circles because 12 is our whole, it's the greatest number. Now I need to cross out 1 circle because I'm subtracting 1 and count how many circles are left. You should have found that there were 11 circles left, which means 12 subtract 1 equals 11. Now have a go at my journal challenge. It says, draw or write your own subtraction story. I have done one to show you. I have 8 cakes. My friend eats 4. How many are left? Now I'm going to solve my own subtraction problem using pictures. Watch how I do it. There are 4 cakes left. If you want to continue practicing subtracting, go to the Slade School website and find your home learning pack for this week, where you will find these 2 workbook pages. And remember, if you found it tricky or you have any questions, your teacher will be on Zoom later today.